Hi, my name is Miss Tellez, and today I'm going to be showing you this great application that's available on the Mesa Vista Elementary website where you can go and read books, and I'm also going to show you a little activity that you can do with it. So you're going to start by going to the Mesa Vista Elementary School website. You're going to go ahead and click on the Students tab. Now under the Students tab, there's this one called Useful Links. And then over here on the left-hand side, you're going to click on where it says Library Links. And even though there's a few different links here for the library, the one that we're going to be looking at today is going to be Bookflix. And just in case you forget, the username and the password is going to be Mesa and Mesa. You can go ahead and click on the link and it'll take you directly to the Bookflix website.
Click on a category.
Now, once you come into the Bookflix,
click on the feature to begin.
Once you come into the Bookflix website, there's a bunch of different categories that you can pick from as far as books go. But for today, we're going to go ahead and go into Animals and Nature.
Animals and Nature.
And the book we're going to take a look at is going to be The Caterpillar and the Pollywog. So for this one actually has two stories. One is a fiction and one is a nonfiction story. So the fiction story is called The Caterpillar and the Pollywog. And for this one, you can actually watch the book. So you can click on the play button. And it'll read the story to you. And it's really neat because it has like an animated feature for the book. So this is the fiction story. Now, the one that we're also going to be looking at is going to be the other one, which is going to be the nonfiction story. And this one you can actually read. So you can make it bigger to fit your screen. And you can use the little arrows to kind of flip through the pages. This one is called A Tadpole Grows Up. And you can flip through to read the book. Now, as you can see throughout the book, there are different vocabulary words that are highlighted in yellow. And there's two more. So one activity that you can do at home with maybe older brother, older sister, or your parents, your grandparents, is in a notebook, you can use these vocabulary words that are highlighted throughout the book. And if there's any words that you don't know, you can create what's called a vocabulary matrix. So let's say, for example, you want to do the word amphibians. You can, in a notebook, you can create these 4 boxes. And right here in the middle, you would draw a circle, and that's where you would put your vocabulary word. So say we would put the word amphibian. Then together with, like I said, either a sibling, your parents, your grandparents, your tias or tios, you can write the definition on what the word means. You can draw a picture to help you remember the word. You can use it in a sentence, and then you can even find the different parts of this of speech for the vocabulary word. This can be done for one word, or it can be done for any of the words that are found throughout the nonfiction book, A Tadpole Grows Up. Another activity that you can also do, because since this one has 2 books, so A Tadpole Grows Up tells you about the life cycle of a frog. And the other story, the fiction book, this one kind of tells you a little bit about the life cycle of a frog and of a butterfly. So another activity that you can do could be to do a life cycle. So right here I have an example of the life cycle of a frog that I did. And I went ahead and I drew pictures of all the different stages that a frog goes through in their life cycle. So you can do something similar also with the life cycle of a butterfly. And I drew a little example here of what that might look like. So I hope that you guys have a fun time exploring Bookflix and all the different books that are here.
Click on a category.
And
click on the feature to begin.
And all the different books that are available here, and even the different activities that some of them come along with. Thank you.